Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, we discuss a Math Olympiad question. So let's start. The question is x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. What is the value of x in our question? Where x is a real number. So let's start. This is a x raised to the power 6. We can write this as a x raised to the power 3 multiply 2 minus this is a x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. And in the next step we let that x raised to the power 3 is equal to a. So we substitute in above equation, then this will become a square minus a is equal to 2. And in the next step, if we subtract a 2 on both sides of this equation, then we get a raised to the power 2 minus a minus 2. Now the right hand side is 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So we factorize. For this, our middle number is minus a, and if we multiply first and last number, then we get a 2 time of a square. So in the next step, we split this middle number minus a into a two numbers such that if we multiply this two number, we get a 2a raised to the power 2, and if we subtract or add this number, then we get a this minus a. So we can write this as a square. So we split a minus a into a two number. The first number is minus 2a and the second number is plus a minus this is a minus 2 is equal to 0. Notice that this is a minus 2 time of a and this is a plus. If we solve it, then we get a minus a, and if we multiply this to number, then we get a 2 time of a square. So for next step, look at this a involved in these two terms, so we take it a common. So divide a square by a, we get a minus divide a 2 time of a by a, then we get a 2. Look at the last two term, we take a common, just plus 1. So divide a by 1, we get a minus divide 2 by 1, we get a 2. The right hand side is 0. So after that, we can write this as a plus 1 multiply a minus 1. The right hand side is 0. So this implies one of them must be equal to 0. So a plus 1 is equal to 0, or a minus 2 is equal to 0. In the next step, if we subtract a 1 on both sides, then we get a is equal to minus 1. And in the start of the question, we let that a is equal to x raised to the power 3. So this implies x raised to the power 3 is equal to minus 1. We find the value of just x. So we take a cube root on both sides this equation. Then we get a x is equal to cube root of minus 1. Now look at this. Since the index is odd, there is no problem having a negative radical. So the cube root of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So one value of x is minus 1. Now look at this. If we add 2 on both sides, then we get a is equal to 2. And in our question, a is equal to x raised to the power 3. So this implies x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. And in the next step, we take a cube root on both sides, then we get a x is equal to cube root of 2. So this is the another value of x. And in the next step, we check that this answer verify our question or not. So the question is x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. So now check for x is equal to minus 1. So this will become a minus 1 raised to the power 6 minus minus 1 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. So this will give us a plus 1, and this will give us a minus 1 is equal to 2, and the minus is plus, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So one value of x is minus 1. Now verify this answer. Question is x raised to the power 6 minus x raised to the power 3 is equal to 2. So now x is cube root of 2. So this will become a cube root of 2 raised to the power 6 minus this will become a cube root of 2 raised to the power 3. The right hand side is 2. So we can write this as a cube root of 2. We split a 6, 3, 3 multiplied 2, and this is the cube root and this is a cube, so we cancel it, we just get a minus 2. Right hand side is 2. So now look at this is a cube root and this is a cube, so we cancel it, we get a just 2 raised to the power 2 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, so 4 minus 2 equal to 2. And if we solve for this, 4 minus 2 which is equal to 2. So in this case, the right hand side is equal to left hand side. So the other value of x is this. So we have done. Thank you.